In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add payment methods on Webflow. If you're looking to open your own online store or enhance its functionality, integrating a reliable payment method is not only a smart move, but an essential one. So let's walk through the process step by step, making it as simple and straightforward as possible. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the CMS section of your Webflow dashboard. You can easily do this by clicking on the CMS icon located at the top left of your screen. It looks like a little box or grid, but if you're all about efficiency and love keyboard shortcuts, you can just press Alt+C on your keyboard. Once you're in the CMS section, the next step is to find the e-commerce option and click on it. This will open up a set of options that are specifically designed for online stores. Among these, you'll want to look for the setup guide, which acts as your roadmap through the entire e-commerce setup process. It's designed to help you ensure that everything you need for your store is set up correctly and efficiently. In the setup guide, navigate over to the section titled Launch Your Store. Here is where you'll see the option to Add Payment Provider. This is the crucial step in setting up your payment processing capabilities, as it allows you to choose and configure how you'll accept payments from your customers. However, before you can proceed with adding a payment provider, make sure that you have filled out some basic information about your store. This information is required to move forward with the payment setup process. Webflow will prompt you for details such as your store name, your business address, and other pertinent information that helps define your store's identity. It's important to have this ready because it ensures a smoother setup process and helps build trust with your customers. Once you've filled in the necessary details, you can go ahead and continue with adding the payment provider. And that's all there is to it. By the time you're done, you'll have integrated a payment method that makes it easy and secure for your customers to shop on your site. So if you're ready to take your Webflow store to the next level and offer your customers a seamless checkout experience, go ahead and follow these steps. With just a few clicks, you'll have a fully operational payment system right at your fingertips. Happy selling!